In this video, I'm gonna showing how to turn off notification on ByBit account. So first of all, open up your ByBit application on your phone or open up this website on your PC. And after that, once you're here, you can tap on profile icon at the top left corner. And after that, once you're here, you can tap on gear at the very top right corner. And once we're here, we can scroll down until you find notification settings. Tap on it, and now you can see here in-app messages, and you can just settings it and scroll down until you find push notifications. And over here you can disable or all of your notifications. That's it. I hope it helps. You can watch this new video or this playlist about ByBit. Please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up.